Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening your Notes app and selecting the note where the sticky will live. This anchors context. Once done, tap the add or sticky icon and choose a size and color that stands out. Make sure to type a short, clear title so you can scan later. This first sticky captures the immediate action or question. You're building a visible reminder rather than a long paragraph, which keeps your workflow fast and focused. Next, organize your stickies so they actually help you. You should group by topic or priority, use colors or numbers for quick scanning. Then drag and resize each sticky to reflect urgency or detail. Larger notes imply action, smaller ones imply reference. Make sure to link a sticky to related full notes or add tags so you can jump to background material. Doing this reduces duplicate work and keeps context connected, which speeds completion of tasks. To finish, review your sticky notes weekly and move completed items to an archive note or folder. This keeps the active area clean. Once done, confirm tags and links still point to the right content so nothing is lost. If a sticky seems missing or won't sync, use search and tags first. If that fails, toggle Cloud Sync or resave the parent note to force an update. That usually resolves sync glitches and preserves your organized system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.